guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, in this video reel we will be seeing guidance with respect to your career, and this is for them who are doing job. So if you are looking for a job or you are already doing a job, this reading is for you. Let's see, and we will be seeing this via tarot. Okay, so here's your first card and it is Eight of Cups. The very first card itself says that you need to let go of situations, people, memories, energies that are no longer serving you guys. Maybe currently you cannot leave some people also, but you can set your own boundaries and priorities. If something is not working for you, please leave it, please go away from it. Maybe this is for your job, it's no more giving you that peace, that happiness also. You can try for another option but I won't say that immediately leave this work and just go for a new one. It's not that easy to find a new job. So first I would say that find a new one. Once you get selected there, or yes, now I will get selected, only then leave your current place. This is what I would say. Another thing for people who are looking for a job, if you're trying just one field from years and years and you're seeing that you're not getting no success, please try some other field. Maybe you're not made for this field and you are not even aware of it, hence it is said, because it's not somewhere. This card is telling that only, that it is not serving you. Maybe for some who are doing that job, or for some of them who are looking for that particular job. Second, Ten of Cups. Okay, so with this card I would say, like, if you leave that situation, that job or that field, maybe after that you will there I see a completion of something. You will be emotionally satisfied, because I feel that you will be coming across where you actually deserve to be. This is what I see, where you will get happiness. I see you enjoying and all everything, but for that you need to leave this current situation from which you are going through. This is what I see. After this I see a lot of happiness around you. Beautiful message. Also, maybe this Ten of Cups is showing completion of something if you leave that situation. Okay, Ace of Swords. Wow, new thought, new clarity, some truth will come out. Also, you will get new ideas that how you can set your career, about your job, anything this can be. But for that, you need to leave one situation. Please keep this in mind. Very beautiful message. Or else you need to look for work where there is utmost need of your intelligence, your brain, and you are a lot intelligent. Two of Pentacles. So for some of them I see you're not able to balance your professional life, your personal life, so you need to balance. I also see some financial issues with some of them, but you need to balance. You need to see that you're not spending much where it is not needed. Do mindful spending. This is what I would see. Your balances will easily, your imbalance, I would say, would easily get recover. This is what I would say. Let's take one more card and then end the reading. Okay, so for some of them, if you're looking for a job, you need to have patience. This is what I see. Maybe you're exhausted, that you're looking for a job, you're not getting any success. You need to have some patience, because universe is trying to maybe teach you something, trying to convey you, tell you something. You're not, acknowledging it. So have patience. This is what I would say with this thing. And if currently, if you are in any job, you are waiting for some promotion or something, still the same thing for you. You need to have patience. Maybe you need to take more efforts. This is what I would say. Or else I'm you need to learn more skills or something, and you need to show something different that you can work on, and that may help you. But you need to have patience. Taking a last card. Okay, the Tower. So guys, with this card I would say that if your base, your foundation is not firm, if you're not sure what you exactly want, and you're just trying to just put that bow on, you're just trying to throw arrow on anything, it won't work. It will give you a Tower moment. It will show that you need to be firm on what you want. You need to have your basics, your foundation, your base strong, that yes, I wish to work here, I wish to work in this field, and all this thing. And if you're already in a job, for you also the same thing. Maybe you were never interested in that particular job, and hence this Tower moment came for you. just to show you that please see what you are actually looking for, what you are actually interested in, and not just blindly following anything. Or a lot of time it happens a lot of time some personal readings come to us when some people say that we don't even know what to do in career, we don't have any any sightings like what to do and all, and anyone will come and tell them you do this, you do that, and they do this, and then they understand, oh, I was never interested in this. So this tower card can come for you. Thank you.